What?
This is the last one. I just want to give a shout out to this 3D artist, Jigar Patel. And he makes some motion graphics that are pretty, I guess, cozy, comforting. ASMR, I guess.
Okay.
I'll just play it.
Wow. Cool. It's like assembly line style.
Yeah.
And its logo's being printed. Of course, it's all digital.
Uh-huh. But I really like the sounds.
Ooh.
You got the
Spotify?
sounds right.
Cool. Yeah. No, I'm into it.
Yeah.
I personally like the powderiness of the paint particles.
Ah, right.
That right there. That short moment where it's kind of floating.
Yeah.
Cool. So that's his thing? Mm-hmm. Interesting. Man.
Yeah, and he has like many compilations. This is just one of them.
And is there an assembly line theme to it?
I think
Production?
so, yeah.
It's interesting. The production having that kind of calming effect. Automated production. Why are we drawn to it, Will? Robotics and assembly line, automated assembly line.
It's there's predictable outcomes.
Comfort in knowing the outcome before it happens and then repeating it.
And there's purpose.
You're left with something at the end. The progression.
Yeah.
Who knows? Anyway, we're complicated creatures. Thank you.